Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and some of you are going to be proud, but I heard how to pronounce the name of this because I saw a commercial last night and I practiced after I heard how they pronounced it, which is pretty easy, but like apparently I make things hard. So it is Schwarzkopf in Schwarzkopf palette. Now, will I remember that that's how you pronounce it in the future? Probably not, and I will probably keep calling it Schwarzkopf. So, no hate. That's just how I'm used to saying it. And unless I see another commercial before I color my hair using this brand, then I'll remember. But anywho, so I ordered this on Amazon, and it still says it's pending shipment, even though I have it. It was actually supposed to take a whole month to get here, but it actually took like 2 weeks, which is kind of normal for it being like an overseas hair color. This is the Deluxe Oil Care Color in the shade Blue Black, which is 1-1. And everything on this box is in a different language except like this part and some of the ingredients on the bottom. So this hair color does contain toluene, and it's illuminating, long-lasting color with radiance that stays up to 10 weeks, and it's 100% gray coverage, which is awesome. Anyways, this color started off gentle, and then it started to get like these really annoying itches where it like would itch right here, then like right here, then up here, then here, then here, and here. It was all bearable. It was just really annoying because it would like itch and then it would like come and go and just, you know, be annoying. There is a slight scent. It does smell like hair color, but it like disappears. It's not as noticeable and it's not strong. It doesn't burn your eyes or anything like that because some hair colors do, and it's just annoying. It does stain your skin and your sink, so you will need to get some bleach out, but it's not like super terrible. It does stain your skin. Oh, and I did forget to use sorry, I'm trying to cover up a little bald spot of whatever. Anyways, there was a tip to use Dawn dish soap on your skin to like get it off, and I even bought a bottle and I completely forgot to even try it or use it or do anything with it. So yeah, I'm just kind of at a point where like I don't even care if it's on my skin. It'll eventually come off. I can hide it with my makeup and my hair and we'll be good. This hair is driving me nuts. Sorry, I am trying to hide this little bald patch that I have, like this weird, and it's like I don't even know if it's a real thing, but I have like a reverse widow's peak, and instead of like your widow's peak coming forward here, it goes in this way. And usually nobody can notice it because my hairline is like really pretty straight, but I don't know, maybe this hair color made it fall out. But do you see like that triangle right there? Like it is so bad. It's never been that bad ever before. And usually like my baby hairs can hide it, but like right now, like after last night, like I'm so insecure about that. Like I don't even know if putting it in a ponytail, like, ugh, look at that. It's terrible. I don't even know if a reverse widow's peak is a thing, but like that's what I've always referred it to my whole life because I've always had one like that. And like I always had like one bigger one here and like a smaller one there, like a small triangle that just goes in this way instead of like out that way. So I'm just doing my old school like extreme part to just hide it. It's just, I don't know. Usually it is a little bald in that like triangle, but I don't know what happened last night, and it's like I don't know if like a chunk of it just fell out when I was coloring my hair, or I don't know, but I'm very insecure about that right now. It's driving me nuts, and I don't know what it is, and scared to look it up on the internet because usually the internet will be like, you're gonna die. So I'm just gonna hide it. Anyways, let's move on to talk about this hair color. So I was actually kind of impressed after I took my hair towel off to blow dry my hair and put like my products and stuff in. It was so blue and so dark. And usually I don't necessarily notice the blueness when my hair is wet. And I could see how blue it was before I even like ran a brush through it. I just like ripped the towel off my head and I was like, wow, that is blue. And like usually I don't start noticing it unless I'm like in the middle of blow drying my hair and like I got my brush here and I could like see the blue here when the brush is like holding it in a different angle and stuff like that, and I would just be like, wow. But like to see the blue even when your hair is wet, like I was impressed. Like I just did my last video was the Schwarzkopf and I mixed the two blue blacks together, but I feel like this is darker and bluer than the last one I did. I literally felt like, I don't even know why, but I felt like my hair was not as dark than I do right now. Like I looked at it and I was like, wow, my hair is so black. Maybe it was already that dark the last time. I don't know. But I just felt like every time I did my hair, it wasn't dark. I don't know. Anyways, I will show you what it looks like in my natural lighting. It was sunny earlier. I mean, the sun's hidden behind some gray clouds, so maybe I could get a good photo of what it looks like in the sun, but this is what it looks like in the natural lighting, and I can see the blue. I see the blue popping. It is so beautiful. It is so dark. There we go. Like I said, I'm super impressed. Like, I think it's so blue and it's so dark, and that is like everything that I look for in a hair color. And like, I'm really impressed. Like when I was talking to the person that recommended this to me, like she was like, you're gonna love it. It's amazing. And I do. Like I don't even think I've ever really noticed the blue pop when my hair's been wet. And for me to notice it and be like that blown away, that's something we're talking about. So, I mean, I can see the blue. I hope it's picking up on camera, but like, I don't know. I feel like I can see it. It looks really dark. It looks really like navy, like a really beautiful navy blue. I would love to see what it looks like in the sun, because if it's already pulling like this color and just natural, like, I don't even know, it's kind of gloomy outside. The sun's there. It's trying to get through the haze of the clouds, but it's not having any luck. But if the sun does come out, I can't wait to see what it looks like in the sun and see if we got like that big beautiful blue halo that shows up. I can't wait. I'm excited. I like it. I'm impressed by it. It is a little pricey. I think I paid like $28, which isn't bad because it was originally like $40. So the prices of shipping from Amazon from a different country has gone down. So like that's a huge plus. Because like this is a really cheap hair color. Like this is like $5-6 on Amazon. And then like it should have only really cost me like $10, but shipping was like the kicker, so that's why it was like $28. And you know, I mean, that's $28 isn't terrible either, but it's, you know, for the cost of how cheap this hair color is and then shipping, I don't know, maybe that's just me. But anyways, yeah, I'm like super impressed. I love it. My hair feels so good. It feels so soft. I love how dark it is and how blue it is. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on this hair color, like if it bleeds and stuff like that. Yeah, if you have any other recommendations, you can always let me know in the comments below, or you could always like send me a DM on my Instagram page where I keep you guys updated on the hair colors throughout like all the washes up until like the next hair color I do. And it's Nina_Gilhousen, and I will update you guys all the time on the hair color, like if it starts to bleed, if it fades really quickly when it really shouldn't, if it just doesn't stick on your whites or grays like it says it should be, like 100% gray coverage, and it like washes out the next day. I will let you guys know all the good, the bad, the ugly. I don't sugarcoat anything because like I'm a consumer too. Like I'm looking for that hair color, the one that just gives me everything I'm looking for. And that's how this all started, because I was looking up for a blue-black hair color and nobody does blue-black. And I wanted to know, does it have an awful smell? I wanted to know like the price range. I wanted to know like all of it. How long did it last? Did it cover your grays? Like I wanted to see what it looked like in certain lighting. I wanted to know like all that stuff. So like when I do it and I like explain things to you, like I'm explaining it to you like how I want to be informed and to see what the color looks like in the sun. I want to know what it looks like in natural lighting. I want to know what it looks like everywhere. I want to know if it washes out too fast. I want to know all that stuff. So yeah, sorry, I just kind of like went on like a weird tangent about that, but I'm a consumer too, and I just want to like find that it color. Like I have some staples that I absolutely love from the drugstore and Sally's, but like I'm still looking for that color, like that holy grail, like this is it. I will never go to any other color again type of thing. And yeah, so if you have any recommendations that I can get on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, stuff like that, let me know in the comments below if it's a color that I haven't done yet or something new that's coming out, because sometimes you guys see some of the new ones that come out before I do, and I always check it out and see if I can get my hands on it, and I always write down like all the recommendations. Like I have like a whole list compiled, and then I buy it if I can find it, and if I can't, I still keep looking and I try my best. So yeah, so just, you know, talk to me, let me know. You can even send me a picture like, oh, can you try this color? It's easier if you like DM me like a picture of the hair color so I can actually see the box, see the colors, see what I'm looking for, because not every hair color is the same. Like it could be this for you, but then when I go to look for it, I won't see it exactly like this. It might be different for me, but it'll be the same exact color. And then that way I could be like, okay, is this close enough to you? Is this okay? And like, if you're recommending it and I could find it exactly how you buy, or you told me that this is it, then I won't have any issues. But if it's a slightly different, I will like ask you like, is this okay? Do you still want me to review this one for you? Like yada, yada, yada. And then we're good. We're on the same page, because there's some people that will recommend me stuff, and then if I have a question, I don't hear from them. So it's like, okay, I'm just gonna like assume that this one is correct. But yeah, so just let me know in the comments below, or you know, DM me on Instagram, and we can always just try out different recommendations. And I do like the blue blacks and blacks. If they don't have blue black, I will do like jet black and like the darkest black that they have. So yeah, I will stop rambling, because I feel like I'm just like going off on like weird little things today, and I don't I don't know where my mind is today. So anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Have a great day.